Welcome to Davira TV channel in Zimbabwe, Africa. Please viewers, do subscribe, like, comment and share this video, and don't hesitate to let us know what you think about this video. Let me take you to the village right now, where we are going to show you our day-to-day African routine in the village. Well, there's a saying which says it is always the village woman who drives things. Right now, I'm cooking for a lot of people who came to the house for a certain project. Yes, I live in the village where people still care about each other. Just bear in mind that in Davira village, no matter what door you knock on, it will be opened for you. A meal will be served in your honor, and you will sleep between the best sheets in the house. Here in our village, the stranger is too unknown God. Before him, all doors and hearts are opened. Look at how many people we are cooking for today, because we are doing a developmental activity which is going to benefit about 3 villages. There are about 3 villages. People from 3 villages here we are going to feed as Davira village. Please viewers, watch till to the end.
Tichatsaka umwe mwana zanzi yangu totsaka umwe wakakura chiduku chatsvaka umwe unongokura nemusipo zvekamuripo handitime muchingoti mugoturi zvino kamusingoti ngauwanepi zvikovaiveza ndavayazve bamunini vezasi vokushaika ndo vaiveza zvivade vaviya nawo yakawanda todoti chisiyai zvino kushaika zveku rufu gwakauya baba munini ropugura gadzirisisa chaiko rinyase kubuda otsva aiwa ita rinohura moto puzhura moto joyi ite zvimarasha chaiwo ufuzhure moto ndokuti ribude zvakanaka. Joyi unoti kwataitenga huku kwabamunini zasi haukuzivi, ndo vaiveza kwataitenga huku zasi kwamafeka bamunini mafeka vaiveza zvokuuya pano vaiveza migoti